There's a parasite that sneaks into a fish's mouth, devours its tongue, and then becomes the tongue. It's still alive in there, right now, in fish you've probably eaten. This is Cymothoa exigua. And before you ask, no, it's not a worm. It's a crustacean, a relative of crabs and shrimp. It enters a fish through the gills as a tiny juvenile. It crawls up to the tongue, locks onto the blood vessels, and cuts off the supply. The tongue slowly withers and dies. And then the louse hooks its own legs into the stump and becomes a fully functional replacement tongue. The fish eats, the louse eats. They share a mouth. And here's where it gets genuinely disturbing. Every single one of these lice is born male. But if the louse enters a fish and there's no female already present, it changes sex completely. It becomes female, mates with a smaller male that follows and reproduces, all inside the fish's mouth. You might know this trick from clownfish. Nature invented it at least twice. Most parasites destroy their hosts. This one doesn't. The louse feeds on mucus and food particles, small enough that the fish keeps living, sometimes for years, completely unaware it's been replaced from the inside. It's not a killer. It's a squatter with a long-term lease. Cymothoa exigua is found in red snapper, sea bass, and several other fish sold at supermarkets worldwide. Occasionally, when someone opens their fish fillet, there it is, staring back, fully cooked, completely harmless to humans. But knowing that doesn't really help, does it? Here's what makes this animal genuinely remarkable beyond the horror. Cymothoa exigua is the only known parasite on Earth that functionally replaces an organ of its host, not destroys it, replaces it. Evolution doesn't care about elegant, it cares about efficient. And somewhere along the way, efficient looked like this. If nature can evolve a parasite that becomes a body part, what else is hiding in the deep? Next video, we go deeper. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment below. Would you still eat the fish?